Hello everyone, welcome to Bake Butter and Bites. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Paan Gulkand ladoo in just 10 minutes. So get ready for that and make this as a prasad for Ganpati, this Ganpati Mahotsav, and share it with your friends and family.
First we will start to make stuffing. For that I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of Gulkand, that is also known as rose petal jam. To which I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of chopped dates, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now I am going to mix it well. To make the laddu, we are going to take a heavy bottom pan here, to which I am going to add milk, milk powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and then mix it well. Make sure there is no lumps in this mixture. We are doing this process off the heat. We don't have to turn on the heat now until we make a lump-free mixture. As you can see now, it's a lump-free mixture. Now we are going to put it on a flame. Make sure the flame is always low to medium and constantly stir it so that it does not stick to the bottom or does not get burned. Here I have made paste out of the betel leaves. I took on 3 to 4 betel leaves and then make a coarse paste with the help of milk. I took around 4 tablespoons of milk here. I'm gonna add this to this mixture. And start cooking it. Here you don't have to make a fine paste of the betel leaves. You can see the mixture has started thicken up. Stir it continuously to avoid any kind of lumps or to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Stir it continuously and make sure to scrape down the sides of the pan. At this stage, when the mixture has thickened up a little bit, I am going to add desiccated coconut to it. Mix it well. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of ghee to it and then add condensed milk in it. Now start mixing it again. You can see after adding the condensed milk and ghee, the mixture is little runny. Now we have to cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes until the mixture comes together and leaves the pan. Our mixture have been cooking for around 3 to 4 minutes now, guys. And you can see how it has started leaving the pan. After 5 to 6 minutes, guys, you can see all the mixture has started coming together as a dough and it is not sticking to the spatula anymore. At this point, we have to turn off the gas. Here mixture might look a little bit wet to you guys, but trust me, once it has cooled down a little bit, it's easy to make laddus out of it. If you cook it further, it might get hardened up and difficult to make laddus out of it. To check the doneness of the mixture, you take a little portion of the mixture in your hand and then roll it in between your palm. You can see a nice bowl has been formed. Now we are going to take out this mixture in a plate and let it cool for around 3 to 4 minutes. The mixture has cooling down for about 4 to 5 minutes now, and you can see it has become a little dry. At this stage, grease your palm with ghee and then work with the mixture a little bit to make it more smooth. Guys, make sure the mixture is not too hot. Now we are going to start making the laddus. Take a little portion out of this mixture. Press it in between your palm or with the help of your fingertips. Put a little mixture from the stuffing and then try to cover the mixture like this. Smoothen it out in between your palms and roll it in a form of laddu. You can also make modak out of this. I have shown how to make modaks without using the mold in my previous videos also. Go check it out. Here I am demonstrating one more, how to make modaks without mold. You have to make a round ball as you would do for laddus. After that, start making a dome shape by pinching it in between your fingers, like so. Then take a fork and make impressions all around the modak. At this point, mixture might look too soft to you guys, but trust me, once it is settled, this will look good. And then finally you have to press it down a little towards your palm and see how beautifully the modak has turned out to be of this mixture. See guys, I have made all the laddus and modaks out of it. This recipe will yield you around 14 to 15 modaks or laddus. You can see how beautifully this modak and these laddus look. They are so soft in texture. For final touch, I am going to take these laddus and roll it in desiccated coconut to make it look more presentable. If you don't want to cover them in a desiccated coconut, you can leave this part. Shake off the excess coconut. For final touch, I'm going to garnish it with almond flakes.
Thank you for watching. Until next video, stay happy, stay safe. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon.